hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So today I want to talk about what next, all right, or just some of the things you're supposed to consider at this point if you're applying for a joint application or if you're applying for like to Famia. So I'm out there. My neighborhood is cold, but not that cold. So it's slippery, you can see, but it's really refreshing. That's one thing with winter. It makes you glow. All you need is a good jacket, good gloves, good shoes, and you're good to go. At least I can take 10 minutes walk, so it's not that cold. +2, it's warm in January, so you better enjoy it. So if you are coming to Finland, you should be ready for the cold. Like I always say, you can manage the cold as long as you dress warm. You don't dress to impress during winter. You dress warm. Okay? See you on the other side. Most of you have received an email that looks like this. Take a look. All right. So if you have received this email, make sure you go back to the email, click on the link, and double check. If you need to upload your passport, please do. If you've uploaded your passport already and you're like, I don't think I need to take a look, please go back and double check. It's very, very important. And it is very important for those of you with expired passport. They'll give you more information in this email. So please check. If you haven't received this email, check your spam because it's very important. And the next thing is some universities have started sending out emails, okay, like this one. Take a look. Okay, so for example, with this program, the selection method is an online course. So they'll give you more information about this course on the 24th of January. Not like different universities, different programs, they have their selection method. So now is the time. If there's anything you should be doing now, check your email, check your spam, okay? It's very important. And if you haven't uploaded your documents, that's your upper secondary school certificate, your passport, your in short, any document that you were supposed to upload, please make sure you upload this before the 25th of January 2023. The 25th is just 3 days, in 3 days' time, so on Wednesday. So please try as much as possible to upload these documents before the 25th. Okay. For example, if you're required to upload your passport in the UAS section, there and you haven't uploaded or you didn't upload it, then just know that you won't sit in for the entrance exam. So please make sure you upload the right documents. Make sure you upload the documents on time. Make sure you follow the instructions and do the right things. Watch out for deadlines. They are very important, like the one on the 25th, like that of the entrance exam. Make sure you go through these emails over and over and over and over again just to be sure because it is very important. Trust me, it is so important. I remember, I think a year ago, one of you here, you applied and while applying you upload the passport and then you receive an email saying you need to upload your passport and you're like, no, I did that already, and you didn't upload your passport. Meanwhile, I mentioned in my previous video that you're supposed to upload your passport each time you're asked to. It doesn't matter how many times. I don't even understand them. You have your scanned copy of your passport. The same way you upload in for as your identification document. It's the same way you upload when a school asks you for this document. So I don't know why it's difficult for you to upload documents multiple times if you are asked to. There's nothing wrong. Don't ruin your chance, please. Don't even take this lightly. If you spend your energy, your time, you've put in so much to apply. So please, if you receive an email asking you to upload your passport, asking you to upload your upper secondary school certificate, asking you to upload your bachelor certificate, asking you to upload any document, upload it. There's no harm in doing that. Just upload, give it to them. You know how many times I just keep uploading. It won't cost you anything. All right. So this is a very important point, and I'm stressing on this because I know students who didn't take to instructions and they did not sit for the entrance exam because they didn't upload their passport when they were asked to. So please follow instructions, go through your emails. Very, very important. All right, so if you have a preliminary assignment, I think I'm repeating this all over again, but I just want you to get this. Check the date of your preliminary assignment. Some of the programs selection methods, pre-tax and also an interview, but you need to do the pre-tax. If you get a pass on the pre-tax, that's when you'll be invited for the interview. So make sure you know the deadline for like to upload or submit this pre-tax. So if you know the deadline, then try to upload it before that date. Don't just sit, please. You applied for up to 6 programs. There is no one selection method for all these 6 programs. You may apply for 6 programs, and all the 6 programs require you to write the entrance exams. It's good. You just have to wait from the international UAS exam. Okay, instructions. But if you apply to 6 different programs and you have programs that require you to take online course or pre-tax, please try to check your email because individual universities, just like the one I showed you, the email, they will send emails about concerning this online course that you're supposed to take and also even the pre-tax. So please don't just sit. Check your emails every day. Check your emails every day. Check your spam and make sure you provide the right documents, you provide the right information that is needed for you to proceed, for them to proceed with the selection method. Now is the time for you to reach out to universities. If you apply to, let's say, Tampere University, and you have um, issues concerning that particular university, you can go to their website and you see an email from the admissions office. You can send them an email concerning your application. I know that they're going to reply and give you the right information or suggest the way forward depending on your situation. Okay, so now I want to talk to those who are like, because I know some of you are like, oh my god, I didn't know that application was ongoing and now it has ended and I don't know what to do. Don't bother, okay? You can still apply to universities in Finland this 2023. All right. Some universities they open rolling admissions already. All right, they have rolling admissions. Rolling admission in the sense that application is like it's ongoing and you can apply directly to their university. And there are different other separate applications that are going on. And also, if you want to wait still, like towards maybe mid year or towards the end of the year, you can apply for the join application in September. There is one, and with that, we can move here in January 2024 to study. And with a supplementary application also this year around April, you can move here in August already to study. Yes. So don't feel like, oh, I can't apply to come study in Finland this 2023 because I've missed the spring joint application. Yes, the spring joint application is the biggest, but at the same time, There are different ways you can apply. There are still separate applications, like I mentioned, rolling admissions going on. There will be supplementary going on. There will be another joint application. So relax, you can still apply for this other during these other application rounds. And if you've applied already to the joint application and you are like, oh, I'm not so sure, I still want to apply to other universities, you can still apply during the in the separate application or in the next joint application. By the way, before the next joint application, it's certain that you already know if you are admitted or not. So you don't need to worry. All right. So about the entrance exam, I'm not gonna dive I'm not gonna talk more about the entrance exam because now we are still in January. Entrance exam is in February. I'm gonna talk about that maybe next week. So stay tuned. But now, what I want you to do between now and February is I will summarize it. Make sure you upload your attachments. Make sure you upload your attachments. Make sure you upload your attachments before the 25th of January 2023, which is 3 days from this Sunday that I'm uploading this video. So make sure you upload the documents. The second thing that you have to do is read through your emails, read through them. Okay, if something doesn't make sense, you can take a screenshot and you can send it to me. Make sure you read through your emails very well. And if the university or the international UAS exam is asking you for an additional document, please make sure you upload it. The next thing you're supposed to do is if you applied for a program with a pre-tax or online course as selection method, focus on it, make sure you submit it before the deadline. And the fourth is for you to be on the lookout if there is any information concerning entrance exam before February. So please, these are the four things you should be doing right now if you applied for the spring joint application. Make sure you do that. I will be talking more on entrance exam and rolling admissions in my subsequent videos. All right, so please stay tuned, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you're new here, subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends, and do well to leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know what's going on so that if I can be of help, good. I always come through. Okay, so have an amazing week ahead, and God bless you. You can do this. Bye.